Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing a eyeshadow tutorial based on this color that I saw Casey Holmes doing actually. This was like years and years ago, but I recently rediscovered it. It is the MAC Amber Lights eyeshadow color. I don't know if you guys will be able to pick that up in the camera. Oh, it's upside down. So that's what it looks like, and this is what color it is if I can open it. It's very gold, glittery, bronzy, very Christmassy color, and I paired it with an darker outer V, some very big lashes, but they're not falsies. I don't do falsies. No. I paired it with a nude lip too, but you know, you can wear like a darker red lip or a darker brown or a darker purple with it. I think MAC Rebel lipstick will look really beautiful with this eyeshadow look as well. So whenever you guys can come up with, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I applied my primer using, where did I put it? The MAC Paint Pot in Painterly, and I'm just going to set it with the Tarte matte palette. I'm just going to take Super Mum, which is down here. You know, I'm not a mum. Well, does being a mum count for cat babies? Because then I will be a mum. But anyway, moving on. So I'm just going to set that down just to create a nice base. And then we'll get started on the star of the show, which is the MAC eyeshadow in Amber Lights. It's so gorgeous. I can't wait for you guys to see it. It looks better if you spray it with Fix Plus, but it also looks very nice and subtle on its own. So it's a win-win really. Alright, I'm going to take from the same palette, I'm just going to use an XO Beauty vegan blending brush, and I'm just going to take Wanderer, which is down here, and I'm just going to apply that in the crease. Now you don't have to apply a lot to this. These are very pigmented shadows by Tarte. Usually I would use my Makeup Geek, but they didn't have a particular brown shadow that I want for the outer V, so I'm using this palette today, but just use whatever you have in your collection. So I'm just going back and forth, just sweeping it out. And I'm starting towards the tape as well to help blending the Amber Light shadow that we're going to use next. So it's just going to be like that. And then, as you probably are aware now, we're going to take Amber Lights. This is what it looks like in the old MAC packaging. Oh my gosh. But this shade is so gorgeous. This is a very old shadow. I've had it since probably 2016. But this is what it looks like on the finger. Very bronzy, very glittery. This is a swatch of it. So again, swatches don't really do it justice. I find in the YouTube community, just get your makeup wipe to wipe that off. I've noticed when beauty gurus do the swatches, they don't really show up nicely as they do on the eyes. So that's why I don't really like to do it on my channel, just because it doesn't give that just doesn't give it justice. So I'm just going to take a eyeshadow brush. This is again by XO Beauty. I'm just going to spray that with the MAC Fix Plus, because I find it works better with Fix Plus on it. And I'm just going to dunk it in, get a lot on. So I want this to be really dramatic. This is perfect for like a Christmas party, or you want to wear it on Christmas Eve, which is what I usually do. I wear this on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, especially for the lunch. So you just basically put this all over the lid. So beautiful. Honestly, my favorite shade by MAC. I'm just going to get some more. So that's what it looks like. It's just so golden, coppery, bronzy type colour. Oh, it's my favourite. I saw Casey Holmes using this way back in the day before she became really famous. And ever since then, I just had to have it in my collection. I'll see if I can link the video in the description below. But that's like sort of the guideline that I'm trying to follow for this eyeshadow. Look, she uses all makeup, MAC eyeshadows, but this is the only one I could afford at this present time because MAC shadows are expensive here in Australia and I don't like it. Anyway, on the other eye, I always find that they're so expensive here. I don't get it. Like, even foundation, like in the US, it'll probably cost you around $20, $25 probably for a MAC foundation. In Australia, it will cost you around $35 to $40. And that's including GST, which I find is a rip-off. And no wonder why I go broke when I shop there. So I try to do a very limited shop at MAC, even though I love their stuff. They're just so expensive. So after you pack that on, and you don't need to keep wetting your brush with a Fix Plus because it's already so saturated. So I'm just building up the colour to get it as dramatic as I want. And once again, I'm using the tape as a guide to where the shadow is going to stop. So once you get it like that, I'm just going to take our crease colour, which was Wanderer. Tap off any excess. Just go back over that colour to blend it out. So it looks like this. And then I am going to take a Dreamer, which is this darker chocolate brown here. And I'm going to take the various tiniest, littlest bits of it. And I'm going to use a medium angled shading brush by Sigma. And I'm going to chuck that in the outer V. Again, tapping it off because it's very pigmented. Just slowly working it in. Once again, tapping it back in and just going, building up the colour as you go. Depending on how much you like the dramatic effects. I don't really like it as dramatic as, say, other beauty gurus here. I know they're all about the fake lashes and stuff, but fake lashes scare me. I'm afraid if I put them on and rip them off, I'll rip up all my eyelashes, and that's just, it's scaring me. So I don't use falsies. Maybe I might down the track. Who knows what the future will bring, but for now, I am staying well clear from them. Well clear. So just keep blending. Oh God, that's so mad. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. And leave a comment down below if you know the name and what movie it's from. I watched it the other day with the kids at work. And I was just like saying, oh, this is bringing back childhood memories. Alright, and then I'm just going to put in an inner corner. I'm just going to take Supermum again because it was that bright white. I'm going to take that on a pencil brush. Any old pencil brush will do. And I'm just going to add that right in here. Just to bring it, ooh, hello. Focus please. I'm just going to add that in the inner corner. And then you're ready to pull off the tape and do the rest of the your face makeup. So I'm going to go and apply the rest of my face, and then I'll come right back and show you the finished look. And this is the finished look. What do you guys think of this MAC eyeshadow in Amber Lights? Let me know in the comments below if you think this is too dramatic for you. You can also pair it with a darker color if you're in the other half of the world where it's nice and cold and wintry, and I would love to experience a white Christmas. But in Australia, it is a blazing hot 45-degree heat Christmas day. So yeah, that's why I went with the nude, but you can pair it with a dark purple, a red, any shade imaginable. It goes with this look. It's like a universal soul type of glam eyeshadow tutorial look. I like it. I think it's very fun. I try to do a wing, but I'm not really that good at it. But practice makes perfect. So if you guys like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe before you leave, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you consider recreating this look. I would love to see your guys' thoughts and opinions. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.